former Democratic Republic of Congo President Joseph Kabila has been sentenced to death in absentia by a military court in Kinshasa. The verdict, handed down on September 30, 2025, marks one of the most dramatic legal moves in Congo's history against a former head of state. The trial took place before the High Military Court in Kinshasa, presided over by Lieutenant General Joseph Mutombo Kadalayi. Kabila was convicted of treason, war crimes, crimes against humanity, murder, sexual violence, torture, and insurrection. The court applied Article 7 of the Military Penal Code, which requires the maximum penalty when multiple severe crimes are proven. As a result, the tribunal imposed the death penalty. The court also ordered Kabila's immediate arrest and declared that an appeal is only possible on procedural grounds. In addition to the death sentence, the court ordered Kabila to pay massive reparations. Reuters reported damages amounting to about $50 billion. The Associated Press specified that this included $29 billion to the national government, plus $2 billion each to North and South Kivu provinces, which have been most affected by armed conflict. Kabila did not appear in court and was not represented by legal counsel. The entire case was conducted without his participation, raising questions about fair trial standards. Joseph Kabila ruled the DRC from 2001 until 2019. He has been accused by his opponents of fueling instability and supporting armed groups like the M23 rebels. His supporters, however, denounce the case as politically motivated, describing it as an attempt by the current government to silence opposition. International observers note that Congo had not carried out an execution for years, even though the death penalty remains legal. This ruling sends shockwaves across Congolese politics and the wider Great Lakes region. Whether or not the sentence can be enforced remains unclear, but it places Joseph Kabila at the center of one of the most controversial legal battles in Africa today. This decision should be seen as a significant move by the Congolese authorities in addressing years of atrocities. Holding accountable those behind extrajudicial killings and massacres of innocent civilians is essential for justice and reconciliation. I urge the international community and humanitarian organizations to stand with the Congolese people by ensuring that all perpetrators and sponsors of such crimes are brought to justice, without exception.